What's up guys, welcome back to another KixFix video. So this video is kind of a new series. I'm checking out if y'all guys are liking it. It was actually an idea from Simon Guildea. I'm probably fucking up your last name. Let me know how to spell it so I can give you a correct shout out, or at least thank you for the idea. It's just a weekly rotation. I'm gonna show you guys what I wore last week. Don't hate on me only wearing one pair of pants. I needed to kind of do it a little bit fast because I was thinking about going to a nice location and shooting, but yeah, I had to bring 7 pair, which is a pretty big bag of shoes. I don't have a driver's license, so it has to be on the bike or on the cruiser. So I was thinking, like, you know what, I'm just do it in the backyard. I could also do it in-house, but if the series go well, I'll do it in-house in the winter when it's bad weather. But for now I thought the porch would be a nice spot, except the sun was already moving pretty fast, so I had to make a little bit of a rush to make sure the spot I was filming in wasn't getting in the shade. So that's why, you know. Also, you know, I love to wear socks that match the shoes. But yeah, when I wear socks a whole day, I'll put them in the washing machine. So all the socks of last week are in the washing machine right now. So please forgive me for being a little bit boring on the rest of the outfit. So yeah, man, for a quick look, super quick look of what I wore. It is in a different order, but here are all the kicks I wore. Air Max 1s, SBs, biggest love I have. Alright, so you know what, without further ado, let's just get into the on-feet section. Monday. Alright, so the first pair I wore on Monday are the Air Max 1 Wolf Grey. Well, essentials. I don't think they're called essentials actually, but I have some from 2013 that have the same OG kind of color blocking, and they were all called essentials. So also I think they are very essential if you like Air Max 1s. Quarter and mid panels are really bad nubuck. The suede is alright, but you have to watch out because it can bleed. Yeah, overall a really dope shoe, very comfortable too. Got them for a great price too at my job. On Tuesday I wore the Nike SB Dunk Low Takashi 2. Yeah, again, really dope pair. I got these I think a year ago for only 20 euros. Also had, it was a replacement box, but it was a nice gold box with 2 extra sets of laces. Yeah, also love the detail of the laser etching on the back panel. The black could use some re-dyeing, but they're kind of like beaters that I put on when I don't really know what kind of weather it will be or what kind of situation I'll be in that day. So yeah, just a dope shoe, nice accents. Wednesday. Alright, so this is the first sole swap I did, and you can see the edges around the sole and the upper. It's because of the nubuck. It's pretty difficult to remove the sole from a nubuck upper and make sure it stays in the same condition. It's very easy to tear. Also, you can see at the front the toe cap doesn't really fit in comparison to an Air Max 1 toe cap. I also dremeled the outsoles or the midsoles to make sure the fit was a little bit better, but I couldn't dremel anymore because I was going to just hit the air unit and burst it. Thursday. On Thursday I wore the Nike SB Mid Dunk Ashbury Park. Also a shoe that I got for really cheap, 20 or 25 euros. You can see on the back that the cracked leather is almost fully faded into brown. But yeah, super comfortable, pretty dope colorway, kind of Wu-Tang like colorway, black and yellow, really dope. And the suede is actually really nice. The leather too feels really soft, and yeah, it's just a cool pair. Friday. On Friday I wore the Air Max 1 What the Safari, the size What the Safaris. I'll link the unboxing video down below. Yeah, really dope pair. Happy I got them. Had to camp out, but if you'd like you can see the video. Reshaped them a little bit too, so the toe box is a little bit more round instead of square that it was before. Yeah, just such a nice pair. And also you can see the midsole moving around a lot actually, because soft midsole. On Saturday I wore the 2013, I believe, Chinese New Year, Year of the Horse Dunk Highs. The suede is really good. Overall quality, I just love it. Just the fit of the newer SBs is a little less comfortable than the older ones. But really love the glitters in the outsole. Here they are. Yeah, such a dope detail. I got these from Rutger van Zoelen, shout out to you, from Utrecht. Picked them up, really nice guy. He still has loads of SBs and thinking about copying some more from him. Also, I'm a big fan of a double swoosh. Double swooshes are always super nice. On Sunday I wore the Air Max 1 Hyperfuse Night Tracks. These are from 2013 also, I believe. Got them for a really nice price. I think it was like 40 or 50 euros. Repainted the midsole though, because I thought the off-white wasn't fresh enough. It's a long time ago that I did it, so one of the first pair I actually painted, so the quality of the lines and shit is not superb, but it's alright. I don't find these very comfortable. I have white feet and they are pretty tight, even though it's the right size. Also they have candy paint on the patent leather liner, which I think is dope too, but not all that comfortable. Alright, those were all the kicks I wore last week. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you think about it. Let me know what I could do better. Let me know what you like. Let me know if you have any other ideas for videos I could do. I'm always open for new suggestions, so let me know. Also, huge shout out to all the new followers I got. Huge shout out to my brother from Portugal, João. He shared some of my videos on his page, and a lot of other dudes from his page shared, so I went from 490 something subscribers to 512 now. So we made it halfway to the road to 1000 subscribers. If you've seen this video, if you liked it and you haven't subscribed, please do it. Also, if you're watching to the end, let me know by posting in the comments, just do it. Or it doesn't really say that on the shirt right now, it just says us do. But it has a J, it has a small bit of the I, and there's the back. Just do it. Pa. So, it would be cool if you guys could show me some love by just posting that and letting me know you watched till the end of the video. So I'd like to thank y'all for watching, subscribing, everything I just said. Yeah man, that's it. I'll see you guys next week with maybe another weekly rotation. Maybe with a restoration, maybe with an unboxing, who knows. Just stay tuned for next week. I am out.
Peace.